Here's Weber's Spirit 2 E-310 3-burner gas grill with their GS4 grilling system. We were a little disappointed in the Genesis 2. Let's see if Spirit 2 can live up to the Weber name. Hi, I'm Max Good, Director of Equipment Reviews and Keeper of the Flame at AmazingRibs.com. Welcome to our virtual showroom. GS4 grilling system is meant to provide more reliable ignition, even heat, and superior grease management. Something we're really excited about is the introduction of the optional iGrill 3 digital thermometer, which is going to be much more accurate than this traditional ancient bimetal thermometer. The firebox is solid cast aluminum with an opening at the bottom where a slide-out grease tray is located. The ignition system consists of a single igniter and a crossover design to light the middle and right burners. We haven't fired up this pristine model yet, but once the gunk starts to accumulate, and it will, one can take a plastic scraper and easily scrape it down into that removable grease tray. There is a bit of a gap between the grease tray and that opening in the firebox. One wonders if that will affect performance on a windy day. However, Weber has provided a heat diffuser, which I expect will mitigate wind problems as well. 5 of Weber's flavorizer bars help distribute heat, sizzle drippings, and reduce accumulation of grease at the bottom. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates are reversible. You have a thin edge on one side, and for those who love big thick grill marks, there's a flat side as well. Both shelves have tool hooks and an LP gas tank fuel level gauge that gives you an idea of how much fuel is in the tank based on its weight. The left side shelf folds down. There's a storage rack at the bottom of the open cart and 2 wheels on the right side. You move it by lifting the left side shelf and rolling away. Nice looking grill. I particularly like that stylish hood. Well, it's getting time to fire up this Spirit 2 and see what it can do. I thoroughly tested this model. If you're watching on YouTube, scroll down right under the little piggy with the red hat and click on the link to my full detailed review. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.